right, today we're gonna get replacement holes for replacing our actual filter system. If you guys notice, these are actually plastic and they're falling apart. I got a hole ready on one of them already, so we're gonna put these new ones in. They're about the same size. I'm gonna put the description in here, but look at this. They give you actually better connections or braces for actually metal ones instead of the plastic ones. So we're gonna go ahead and replace them and put them together. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and replace them. Let's see, you are gonna need a flathead, all right? Phillips, or actually a flathead. Put that in here. Put that in here. Right, we got our actual pump set up. You could fasten it tighter if you can, if you want to. You can use a penny too, or a nickel. It's pretty simple, instead of flathead. So just make sure that you are on the actual ledge. These holes are really flexible, easy to use. We're gonna put it together for our pool together and start filtering some of the new, cleaning up the water, because the old one, I'm gonna show you the old one. The old one was see-through and it was already damaged from the sun. This is actually white and it's a lot thicker and more flexible than the actual old one. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.